When I say it stretches out to every way in your life, the benefits do not stop. So if you've been feeling overwhelmed, confused, distracted, or mentally scattered, this is your pause. I want you to come back to yourself. And if you don't know where you are and who yourself is, then keep watching this video. I'm speaking directly to you. All right, hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Spivey J and I hope you are having a beautiful, blessed day wherever in this world you may be. I created the Start Before You're Ready 7-day challenge specifically for anyone that is procrastinating, an overthinker, a fearful, a fear-led, or someone who is absolutely clueless about their next step. This is a 7-day challenge for you to focus on one thing in one area of your life for 7 days so that you can get the results that you have been waiting for. You don't need to be ready to start, but you have to start to get ready. And in this challenge, you're going to grow in every area of your life. But the one area of your life that you choose is going to be the one that's mainly impacted. But you're going to see the benefits in other areas as you build more confidence and trust in you keeping a promise to yourself. So if you've had a problem with 100 days, 30 days, 21-day challenges, 7 days is the sweet spot to start specifically for you because you have been hesitant due to so many outside factors. But it's time for you to build a rich life on purpose. It's no time. We have no more time to wait. Okay. I need you co-creating a much more beautiful world, starting with yourself by being the change you wish to see. So be sure to click the link in the description. You won't be disappointed. I'm going to guide you through, and then you can also come back to these videos to continue learning how to train yourself so that when you hear 7 day, 21 day, 30, 100 day, 1,000 day, a decade focus on your building your dream life, and you're going to understand that you and your dreams actually do matter. Okay, so click the link in the description. All right, so for today's video, girl, what's going on with you? You're reading all of these things, you're reading all the headlines, you're confused because you have ideas, and then you go and you're following the next shiny object. I want you're following the next shiny object, and then you're just spiraling. And what you're really doing is you're just going in a circle. Okay, you're going in a circle. And I know you're tired of it. You're overwhelmed. You're confused. It's so much going on in the world. We have so much access to everything now. It's actually either a curse or a blessing. Let it go. I want this video to serve as your permission to come back to yourself. It's time for you to revisit who you are. This video isn't to fix everything right now. And also, it's not the time to figure it all out right now. I want you to simply return to yourself. That's it. I want you to release the rigidity you've been carrying. It's not yours to hold anymore. The constant pushing, let it go. Remove your hands. The mental gripping, I want you to take a deep breath. Okay? Let it out. But when you do that, I want you to draw closer to yourself. Focus on the breath. It's meditative because you are not focusing on anything else. And that breath is inside of you and it's energizing you, literally keeping you alive. So when you take this breath right here, right now, let's actually do it together. Relax your shoulders, okay? Relax, get comfortable. I want you to notice what is actually happening around you. When you're washing your hands or when you're taking a bath, how does the water actually feel on your skin? If you were to touch your nose, is your finger touching your nose, or does your nose feel your finger touching it? Listen to the dogs barking in the distance. Listen to the birds chirping. Feel the wind. If there's a breeze, feel the wind. If the sun is right in your face, feel it. If you're not scared of getting your hair wet, go see what the rain feels like. And just be present in that moment. That awareness alone is enough to bring you back to you. If this is your first time taking a breath and just having a present moment, let it last longer than this video. It may feel awkward. It's going to feel awkward. You're going to be like, I look stupid, but you're not doing this for looks. You're doing this for feels. You're doing this for you. You're doing this so you can release the everything and all of the tension that's been pulling you and holding you. That's where we are right now. So beginning January of 2025, I committed to a walking ritual that has now passed over 400 days. And one of the biggest lessons of many that I've learned ever since I took out my headphones when I went for my walk is that no matter what you do, you can only take one step at a time. No amount of resources, no amount of planning or thinking changes that. Life is still step by step, day by. Y'all remember that? Okay. Fresh start over, simple and big. People we. Okay. What's happening is the overwhelm and the confusion is probably feeling like, because you have those feelings and you're used to them, you may feel like they are getting you closer, they are helping you. But girl, they're not helping you, they are keeping you out of the present moment. You didn't even pay attention to the fact that you just walked past your favorite flower. You didn't pay attention to the fact that the sun is just going to shine on you. Whatever. You didn't pay attention to that. You didn't pay attention to the things in the present moment that are actually gifts. The presence is a gift. Overwhelm, confusion, anxiety, having those feelings, they pull you away from even paying attention to these things that are actually much more important and much more impactful, because they help you. They pull your attention everywhere except where the power actually is, which is right here, right now. So that daily walking ritual that I'm literally going to continue forever, as long as I have limbs to move, prayerfully my whole long, beautiful, healthy life, and same for you, I'm going to go for a walk. That daily walking ritual that I committed to initially for 100 days required me to be present every single day, which was a gift that I was able to unwrap one step at a time every day that I went out or stayed in, wherever, weather depending, and got it done. Because yesterday's steps, the 10,000 steps, the 10,000 plus steps that I did yesterday, they don't count after midnight today. They don't count for today's steps, because every day is a reset. Every day is a new opportunity. The earth shows us this through day and night, through duality. You get another chance, you get another reset. Take advantage of it as much as you can. Go to sleep and try again. Every day is that new signal to your subconscious, when you do what you said you were going to do, that you are that person that follows through. Over time, that repetition of you showing up every day for yourself, that builds identity. Not motivation, not rah 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 hype, your identity. So basically, when you commit to something that's simple and consistent, your attention begins to change and it molds around you instead of you around it. That decreases the amount of space and room for that overwhelm, because there's less mental noise. You're not focused on that overwhelming things that are overwhelming you and confusing you and all the headlines and all. You have things to do. It's less mental noise. You're focused on your task in your lane. More awareness of your actual life. And that shift affects more than just the habit. It affects your mindset. Over here, we are mastering our minds. It affects your emotions, your relationships. When I say it stretches out to every way in your life, the benefits do not stop when you do that breath work, when you do that walk, whatever you committed to, when you're in the present moment. They extend infinitely. It's raining right now. It literally will define how you show up in general. It's coming from the inside now. It's not coming from out there. So when I started walking last year, I did it to lose weight. Really, if weight loss is your goal, girl, walking is one of the most accessible places to start. It's literally free. You can do it anywhere. You don't need any special gear, and it's nice on your joints. It's not. It's there. The benefits, they don't stop. But beyond that, what I learned is that walking ritual that walking ritual was just the foundation to truly transforming my life, mastering my mind, and literally getting more fulfillment out of this life. I highly suggest it. I highly recommend it. But when that's just a foundation, ooh, what else is there? What else is there? The movement, the consistency, the presence. There's so much there. That walking ritual is not about walking. It was about, or it's about learning how to live one step at a time. It's about learning how to live day by day. You can't skip today to go to tomorrow. So why are you worried about it? You have these 24 hours. Maximize it. You have this moment. You are only this age once. I want you to. I'm so serious. I'm so serious. I want you to realize that you're only the age you are now once. You're only this age one time. Make it good. Make it count. Make it real good. Feel good. Free yourself from the shackles of everything everybody else told you to worry about. See, the sun, it's gonna keep coming back. I'm sitting out here, it's rain, it's sprinkling. It's almost raining like we're in the island. Little rain, little sun. A little rain, little sun. That's reality. That's life. I'm not moving until I finish this video. I'm not just talking. Life literally gives me the example so that I can share with you in real time what I mean when I say be present. You have seen throughout this less than 15-minute video, you've seen the example. I want you to feel it. I want you to know in the world that's constantly trying to pull you toward its ways and to take your attention away from yourself, that if you just get in the present moment, that's going to be one of the most powerful switch ups that you can actually do. And it's free, it's in your hands. You don't need permission, you don't need plans. You just do it. You know what I'm saying? Those are things you can practice on a day-to-day basis. Taking one step at a time, literally when you're walking, metaphorically in life, in every area of life at that. And most importantly, when you're building a rich life on purpose, I'm talking about mentally, physically, spiritually, and financially, you're going to benefit. Each step, think about it like when your foot hits the ground, it activates the next one. It pumps it up. It activates. It's like a charge. It's like, and you show up every step, mindful, intentional, whether you felt like doing it or not. I'm telling you, it is the cheat code that we've been blessed to have that I want you to take advantage of so that you can master your mind, transfer your life, and get more fulfillment. So, overwhelm and confusion are not adjectives you are going to use to describe yourself. You're going to, yeah, sure, this is the season or moment. This is the moment you're having, but it's not the whole season. The sunshine will come and go. The clouds will cover it a little more. Maybe some rain will come down, but you have to stay 10 toes down. You have to stay grounded. So I want you to ask yourself, where in your life has overwhelm taken over so much so that you have lost the present moment? You aren't present. And what's one daily action that you can take so that you can be, actually, I don't want you to start this tomorrow. I want you to do this right now. What's one thing you can do right now to be in the present moment? Go outside and ground. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Journal. Listen to music with no music. Listen to music with no audio. I'm sorry, not no audio. Listen to music without words. Listen to binaural beats and just breathe. And if you can, go for a walk. It's that simple. Go for a walk. Be present and use the actual metaphor. Really, it's not. You literally can only take one step at a time, but use that in you taking that in so that you can release overwhelming confusion and you can truly start building a rich life on purpose. I'm talking about mentally, physically, spiritually, and financially. My name is Spivey J, and I hope wherever you are, your day is beautiful. The sun is shining, the kids are playing, the birds are chirping, the wind is blowing, keeping you real cool. You have access to clean water, shelter, love. You give just as much as you receive, and that you realize you are abundantly overflowing with gifts that the world need for you to leave here, for yourself to grow, and for others to also know that they too can build a rich life on purpose. All right. If you know you need a challenge to begin, make sure you click the link in the description. The Start Before You're Ready 7-Day Challenge I created just for you. And if you could so kindly subscribe, I would truly appreciate it. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much for being here for another video. All right. Peace. All right. So there's some things going on. I want to talk about it.